Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today is January 25th. I did an update on the propagation on January 24th, which was yesterday, and I got to checking again like something's going to change overnight, and I must have missed it. But right here, and you can see the humidity must be right to grow roots, because we got roots growing right out into the air. In fact, we have roots all the way growing up to the top right here. We have a root coming out, and that's not the only one. Over here too. Now this variety is the one I'm calling the SFA variety, and you can see over here we've got the same thing. It's just let's see there. You can see we've got more roots coming out there. But anyway, this variety must really like to root, even though they're not out to the edge of the cup yet. They're definitely rooting in, and these aren't very old. As far as when we tagged these and started these, this was on the 16th, and so today's the 25th. We're just like 9 days. But anyway, that's something I probably missed in the update, and figured I'd throw that in there. If you want to see more, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Happy gardening.